You're looking at a husband and wife. We're in Costa Rica. We got married yesterday. And we're in Costa Rica today. We got to the Airbnb a couple hours ago. We took a nap because we got to the airport at 6:15 in the morning. Hopped on a 4-ish hour flight and we lost 2 hours. Or it's like 3 something.
Actually gained 2 hours.
Yeah, but it's like it feels later than it is.
Yeah.
We are about to make our first little outing and get some groceries because we're gonna be eating breakfasts here every day and some food. Like we haven't had a meal today except for breakfast. We're here for 5 days and we have 2 excursions planned, one tomorrow and one on Wednesday. A moment for the rings. First adventure is complete. First we went to a little supermarket. They didn't have a whole lot of options, but we got what we needed to make it through the week. This is sweet coffee bread and it just looked really good, so we got it. We got 15 eggs. We thought it was 18 because typically this shape like in America looks like 18, but it's 15, but that works. 4 bananas. Then we got bacon for breakfast. And then for some other snackies, good old goldfish. We just needed something that we really liked that we could like take to the pool. We also got blueberry muffin mix because we just get a random craving. Then we got a big case of water. We're just trying to be really careful with the water we drink here. And then we got dinner. It was a little like cafe. This is my pizza. I just got a pepperoni one, has some peppers on it. And then he got a quesadilla, which this looks kind of massive. Like it doesn't look super big and then you look at it this way.
Chunky.
Very, very big.
Yeah, we're gonna chow down.
Do you see that there? What is that?
I don't know, it's something glistening. Oh, that, oh.
And we're gonna just take the rest of the night and recover. Because if you can't tell, leading up to the wedding, my allergies started kicking. And it hasn't really gone away. I've been popping pills and everything and
Drug addict.
nothing is working. I'm wondering if I might be like a teensy bit sick. And then the plane ride just didn't help because I already was having like fluid and everything. And then my ears stopped up and couldn't hear. And then I had a headache and now I just need food. So we're gonna take the rest of the night to ourselves. What's the lesson?
Only use muffin pans.
I mean,
It's really not that bad.
morning, everyone. It's 8:45. We've been up for 2 hours already because our bodies are 2 hours ahead of the current time. So we got up early this morning, made some breakfast, went for a walk and got some coffee, which was very yummy. Oh, we found the beach. Went for a little walk on the beach and that was wonderful. It is so beautiful there. I don't think that's a beach we would like necessarily get into the water at.
It was a little murky.
The view was gorgeous. So we're gonna do some research on some other beaches that we could go to. We're picking up the golf cart at 9, so coming up here shortly. We have a coffee tour experience and that'll also include our lunch for the day, which is exciting. Honestly, don't really know what to expect. I just know it has to do with coffee and we get coffee again and we get lunch. So I'm excited. I realized that I hadn't shown you guys like where we're living for the week and it is a really, really nice place. So out here, there's these little hanging chairs, sliding door. We've got the kitchen and a little couch area. This is where we watched Love on the Spectrum last night. We caught up on a couple episodes. This way, we do have a washer and dryer, which is amazing. There's a little half bath right here. It's very small and like the space in between the toilet and the sink is very small. And then we have a lot of stairs. We reach up here. This is where all the bedrooms are and the full bathroom. Nice little setup. Does the job. This has 2 beds in it. We obviously are not utilizing this bedroom. And then this is our bedroom. Got a nice little window. Again, another gorgeous view. Pretty much just a bed and a big TV. And it does the job. Another amazing part of this place is this outdoor rooftop area. A little staircase and it opens up to this space. Got some chairs in the shade, a big old barbecue, a bar, and then this view. I don't know if you can see it, but the ocean is like right there. I can hear it from here. It's just so crazy. All right, that's the house tour.
You gave him a room tour?
Yeah. I mean,
and that's it.
That's the house. So we're searching for the pool, but pit stop because
Holy beautiful shot.
Oh my goodness.
Look at the mountains to the right too.
Gorgeous. All right, let's go find the pool now. It's hot. Okay, so this is the pool. This apparently is the hot tub. Pool. Another pool. I think it's like 97 degrees right now, or it's gonna get up to 97 today. And the water feels perfect. We'll be here for like an hour and then we're headed to our coffee experience. Yay! There's the iguana.
Yes, can I help you? The hot chocolate will make a remember.
This is all the better.
Yeah, added 2 tablespoons here inside, and we start to add water here in the middle. Put over the strong more aroma.
We are on the golf cart. We did our little coffee and chocolate tour.
Yeah, we did.
And it was so good. I feel like we learned a lot. We got to taste some coffee, taste some hot chocolate, taste it together. We had a really good lunch. So good. Troy ate every bit of it. I ate most of it. It's looking like it might rain, so we are planning for a nap. We might stop at some shops, take the golf cart to some shops and stuff later. Right now, back to the Airbnb.
The cutting boards they have too.
Troy got 2 tacos. Yes, chicken tacos. I got a chili dog. Hello everyone. It's only 6:20, but it gets dark around here and it also feels later than it is. We've already had dinner. We stopped at Jimmy's Burgers. We stopped at some little souvenir shops, so I wanted to show y'all what we got. Also earlier at our coffee chocolate experience, we got some coffee beans. It smells so good. It's by Symbiosis Bistro. We learned a lot. I feel very educated.
I do
now,
feel very educated.
Like, I'm glad that it was worth the money that we paid for it, which it still wasn't even a lot. As a coffee lover, now I understand more of like how it works, especially like Costa Rican coffee. Troy really wanted this chocolate. It's 70% milk chocolate. So like the ingredients here, 70% cacao paste, skim milk, cocoa butter, which we also got to eat and put on our body, coconut oil, and brown sugar. At the souvenir shops, we didn't get much. We saw a lot of art that we liked. We saw some like cool, like kind of French press. We got a magnet for our fridge. If you've been following along, we're collecting magnets from all the different like countries and places we visit. We got one for Costa Rica. And then I got a sticker for my computer. I have stickers all over my computer case. So this says Costa Rica, Pura Vida. It's a sloth. I'm just loving the sloths. I want to see one whenever we go on a tour tomorrow. It's like a hiking waterfall tour. I really want to see a sloth or a monkey. That's my goal. After dinner and ice cream, we went to a little supermarket, Automercado, because we needed some little snackies for our excursion, just in case we get hungry. So he got these bars, 70% chocolate.
I'm on the movement now. I will never eat a Hershey bar again. It's got almonds and dark chocolate. That's literally all it is. Almonds, dark chocolate, and it looks like it has some other
Pumpkin
seeds.
seeds, apple paste, and honey.
Good for
I got Pringles. Here's what I was thinking about. I was thinking about if we're gonna be taking with it and like putting it in my bag. I feel like these are better for travel because they have the cap that's like a more secure lid. Don't look at the ingredients.
I was just about to start reading you wanted to read the ingredients in mine. Let's read the ingredients of the Pringles. You're just throwing stuff around.
So the rest of the night, probably
Live on the spectrum.
We don't have a Netflix subscription right now, and we had watched the previous 3 seasons of Love on the Spectrum, and here they have Netflix, so we're catching up on the newest season of it. Oh, I got to use the my husband line today. He went to the bathroom and someone was coming by to take our order for lunch. And I was like, oh, I'll take this. And my husband.
I've yet to be able to use it, and I'm waiting to be able to use it. She's also using her Spanish again.
Good morning. We're up and we're getting a coffee before our excursion. We leave at 7:20. It's gonna be a long car ride to like where we're hiking and everything, so don't know if there will be much to film, but I'm ready for a coffee. Very excited for a coffee.
Made it.
At the waterfall.
It was a crazy car ride, low-key, but I mean, we made it here.
Whoa.
Javier, venga para que vea la coral centroamericana, véngase, la coral costarricense, véngase. The last time that I see was like a month ago. They are quite similar, so similar. See? Everybody got a picture? Look at the phone. For the
We're almost back. We were just talking about that, like, we've seen so much today.
Yeah.
And it's been really cool.
The only thing that we can complain about
is the car ride.
the car rides.
Both of us were getting queasy.
I mean, we were just sitting in that back seat, just holding each other's hands, just like, oh.
With our eyes shut the entire time. I really get motion sick.
Ever since the flight, I've
Yeah.
just not been like the same. It's
It's
been
been a
amazing.
great day. We've seen so much, but we're ready for a shower and a nap. All right, just a little further.
We
got our coffee. He got his second coffee of the day. He had a call for school to get on. Yeah. And so he needed a coffee before then. So he went out on his own and got a coffee this morning. And I just got my first of the day. I think the rest of the day we are gonna go to the pool, gonna have a pool day. He has some schoolwork he needs to do, but it's okay. I'm gonna take some time and like edit some of this video. I think tomorrow's gonna be a beach day. I think that's kind of what we've decided. And then tonight we do have like a really nice fancy dinner at the Lookout.
Sven's wearing a very pretty dress today. Very pretty dress. And I'm wearing the usual.
Estamos al restaurante de mexicana. Tenemos chips con guacamole, frijoles y pico de gallo.
It's gone.
Nada más.
How good was it?
Muy bien.
Very good. We killed it.
Tengo sopa de aztec con tortillas, chips de tortillas. Creo que es queso. ¿Sí? Y aguacate. Él tiene tacos con... ¿Qué es esto? What is this?
Pollo.
Pollo. Como salsa.
Guacamole.
Y tortilla de maíz. Sí, mira muy bien.
Sí, sí, sí.
Iced latte with vanilla. Sí.
If he was here, you could take out now. But since he's back here, You got him?
Yeah. want him to move. Look at him. What is he? He's dancing.
He's dancing.
This is, I think, is this the first day we haven't taken a nap?
Yeah, so far.
Yeah. And we have dinner reservations in an hour. So we're going to have to hurry. We're going to take a shower and get ready for that. But first we wanted to show you guys the stuff that we've gotten. Yesterday we found this. Is it kind of like a French press?
It's kind of like a French press. Basically, you're going to take
coffee beans
and fill up this little like mesh sock type thing with the coffee beans, and then you put your mug under it, and then you run the water through it. Hot water.
Yeah.
We went on our coffee tour. They did it, or they used something very similar, and that's how they made it.
It folds up, and it's cute. There's a sloth on it.
Yeah.
Along with the coffee bar situation, I actually have needed something to put like sugar in for my coffee. Like I use a lot of brown sugar in my lattes. But also just like regular sugar for like drip coffee. So I got this. There's so much like wood stuff, like handmade wood stuff here. And it comes with a little spoon. It's cocoa butter.
It's cocoa butter, but it's 100% cocoa butter straight from cacao seed. This was part of our coffee tour that we took. They make their own. So it's like super, super, super all natural. And it smells so freaking good.
Yeah.
Like straight up like a chocolate bar. My favorite purchase.
A chess set and handmade, hand painted. All of these little pieces, like someone made them and painted them and all of that.
And it represents basically these are the conquistadors.
Like in our last video, if you watched our last video when we were doing the yard sailing and antiquing and stuff, he was looking for a chess set.
That's right.
And now he's found one. And it's kind of cool because like we got it on our honeymoon.
Yeah, and like you can put the pieces inside of it too.
Yes, we did get another coffee. That's his third today.
I'm wired. I'm wired.
But I needed something because I've been going to sleep at like 7 p.m. because my body feels like it's 9 and I'm just exhausted from the day.
I mean, technically speaking, it is 9 back home.
Yeah.
And that's usually when
my
she
body
does go
just,
to bed, so check
I've
out.
chosen to not like adjust to the time change, and I'm just going to sleep when I normally would and waking up. I woke up at 5 a.m. this morning. guess who got in the water? I went under, like I got my head under the water. And if you don't know me, then you wouldn't know that I'm scared of the ocean and hardly ever get in, even to like my waist. Even like at home, I hardly ever get into my waist, but here it was so clear. Initially it doesn't look super clear like whenever it's hitting the shore because the sand like builds up, but once you get in, it is clear. It's a very clean beach.
Yeah, this is the cleanest beach we've been at.
Very
for sure.
clean. The
Cocoa
water is
Beach
clean.
was very nice, but this shatters anything Cocoa Beach has.
It is so gorgeous. Whenever we were coming here on the golf cart, I was like, is this the most beautiful place you've ever been? And he was like, well, because we went to St. Kitts on our cruise, and that water is crystal clear, mountains in the background, like gorgeous. And I was like, if this beach has clear water, will you say it is? And he said yes.
It's definitely, I think the view and the water, I think all around it's better.
Yeah. Now the boats are starting to leave, and so the view is like even better. There's not boats in the way. Casado con pollo a la plancha.
Sounds good.
So Troy pulled over the golf cart and
I had a vision. You can't even see the road from here, but like
yeah, we had to climb up a small hill.
climb up a small hill, but I could see the vision and I saw no fences or houses and I was like, oh my gosh, I know the water's behind that.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
It's been a while since we've talked. Went to the beach, was incredible, so beautiful. On the way back, we kind of had to take the long way because we passed by like a neighborhood and these people yelled to us and said, you can't go that way on a golf cart, basically. And they said that like people going down that hill have died. We kept going because we were like, we've already conquered the hill, like the scary part, because we went the same way that we were going back. We were like, oh, okay, thanks for letting us know, kind of thing. So we kept going. Then we get to the hill. Like then we get to the spot that we're realizing what they were talking about. And a car comes up. He stopped and he was like, hey, I just want you guys to know that like people have died going down this way on a golf cart. And I'm not gonna tell you what to do or anything, but like I would find a different way to go. And that was enough for me. We turned around.
I feel like I could have made it down the hill easily.
I think we could have, but I wanted to heed the warnings of people that didn't even know us, that felt the need to tell us, like, hey, this is dangerous. I wanted to trust humanity in that moment. And so that's what we did.
We took the roundabout trip. It took about 35 minutes on a golf cart on a highway.
It was the right thing to do, right, Mom and Dad? Anyways, we have showered. I washed my hair. And now we're gonna go get dinner, our last dinner here, because we leave tomorrow. But we're gonna make the most of it. We're gonna get Mexican. Maybe get a little drink. Yeah, thank you.